Hello everyone, welcome to IS Dashana. I hope you all are doing very well. So without wasting any of our time, let's move to the topics of the day. Today's topic is multilingual open source AI prototype demonstrated at Bharat Mandapam. Demonstrating India's commitment to building inclusive and locally relevant AI systems, a session titled Making AI for Everyone. The case for personal local multilingual AI was organized at Bharat Mandapam on 20th February. The session featured a live demonstration of a first-in-class open-source handheld multilingual AI prototype developed in collaboration with Digital India, Bhashini Division, Current AI, and Kalpa Impact. The compact voice-first device is designed as a privacy-preserving, locally deployable system capable of functioning in low or zero connectivity environments. By processing multilingual interactions directly on device, it enables real-time querying across languages without reliance on continuous internet access. The prototype reflects India's commitment of building AI systems that are inclusive, culturally rooted, and linguistically diverse. Designed as a public interest assistive technology, the device demonstrates how open source AI hardware can be secure, accessible, and scalable, particularly for rural and underserved geographies. The live demonstration highlighted practical multilingual use cases and its potential applicability across India's diverse language ecosystem. The prototype was also presented to the Union Minister for Electronics and Information Technology, Shri Ashwini Vaishnav, by the Bhashini team. The minister appreciated the efforts towards developing inclusive, multilingual, and locally deployable AI solutions aligned with the vision of AI for all. The collaboration represents a strategic global partnership model combining India's digital public infrastructure approach and linguistic AI stack with international open hardware innovation. As part of this initiative, a global innovation challenge has been announced to encourage engineering students and early career professionals to build upon the open source prototype, further strengthening India's innovation ecosystem. The session also underscored the importance of preventing AI monoculture and ensuring that emerging AI systems preserve linguistic and cultural diversity while remaining globally interoperable. This initiative reinforces India's position as a leader in inclusive, multilingual, and privacy preserving AI development, offering a scalable model for equitable and responsible AI innovation worldwide. So the next topic for the day is India and Brazil sign MOU to strengthen and secure steel supply chain. The Ministry of Steel, Government of India and Ministry of Mines and Energy of Federative Republic of Brazil today signed a MOU to enhance cooperation in the field of mining and minerals required for the steel sector. The MOU was exchanged in the presence of Shri Narendra Modi, Prime Minister of India, and H.E. Luis Inacio Lula da Silva, President of Brazil, at Hyderabad House, New Delhi. The MOU provides an institutional framework for strengthening bilateral cooperation across the steel value chain with the focus of promoting reliable and sustainable development of key raw materials required for steel production. The cooperation will focus on attractive investment in exploration, mining, and infrastructure development in steel sector, processing and recycling technologies for minerals, automation and the use of advanced technologies in exploration and mining, use of artificial intelligence and geoscientific data analysis to enhance exploration processes, best practices in mineral extraction, processing, and environmental management. Brazil is among world's leading producers of iron ore and possesses significant reserves of minerals critical to steel making, including manganese, nickel, and niobium. Enhanced cooperation with Brazil is expected to improve access to key raw materials and technologies necessary for sustaining long-term growth of India's steel sector. India currently has a steel making capacity of 218 million tons. To meet growing domestic demand driven by infrastructure development and industrialization, Indian companies are undertaking significant expansion in steel making capacity. In this context, this MOU is an important step towards strengthening cooperation for development of mineral resources required for steel production, facilitating access to advanced technologies in mineral processing, beneficiation, recycling, and data-driven exploration. This partnership will support efficient preparation of steelmaking inputs, enable technology-led improvements across the steel value chain, and strengthen resilience and sustainability of the India-Brazil steel supply chain. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.